Hello, good morning, and welcome back to the MSC Meraviglia. This morning we explore the joys of the buffet. Tons of great food, great views, as we are still here at the Ocean Key Marine Reserve. Let's check it out.
We stopped this morning at the Philippe Cafe, and that's their specialty chocolatier and cafe with specialty coffees. Now, I ordered the iced caramel latte, and that was not included in the drink package, so it was above and beyond, and it was about $7. So comparable, but pretty pricey, but we'll see if it was worth it. Oh, that's good. Yeah, worth it.
No aconchego da areia, ele dorme a noite inteira. Não há o que duvidar. Ali é seu lugar. Eu não te impeço de chorar. Pode perguntar.
Okay, we are all suited up. We are heading to the splash pad. I might even try, I don't know what the rules are, but I have the 360 cam, wrist mount. Might try go down the slide, who knows? Crazy guy.
Okay, so I walked all the way up here before realizing you have to sign a waiver first. Once you sign the waiver, then they give you this blue wristband. That means you've signed the waiver. Then you can get your tube and go up. So, heading back up now. Are we ready?
Yes.
Sweet.
Over the ship, we're over the ship. Hey, mama!
Good to go. All right, thank you.
Okay, so that first one I got an absolute mouthful at the end. Definitely not the freshest water you could taste. I can't tell if it's salt water. It kind of tastes like salt water. I know that like Carnival has saltwater pools. I would assume this is the same. Just the easiest way to recycle water, but all right. So this is the one that you do body sliding in, and it goes into a bowl. That's the first one I did there. And then this second one is a really tight turn. And because it's so tight, I think you go really high. On both sides, you go really high. So I think the kid and his dad were racing each other, but oh no, he fell out. Oh no. the kid fell out. That's funny. He seems alright though. Okay, the second one. We good?
Yes, you can go.
Alright. Alright. Whoa, that one was fast. Yep. Whoa! Whoa! My God! Oh, that was fast.
Just lie down.
Yeah.
And here we go.
Look at that. There we go. All right. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Oh.
It's so pretty! Am I good to go down? Thank you. All right, I'll see ya!
So we're here at the splash pad. The what is it called? Aqua
Park?
Park? Aqua Deck? I don't remember. So yeah, you saw us going down the slides, which were really fun. Madison's having a great time here in the splash pad as always. Why don't you go in the middle with the mushroom, Bubba? Go get a shower with the mushroom. You wanna go take a shower? Here, come here. Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
So after all that fun at the splash pad and in the pool, Katie and Madison decided it was time for a well-deserved nap. So my father-in-law and I decided we were going to walk the entire island. So we hit the streets of the Ocean Key Marine Reserve and walked every inch of this island. That'll be in a separate video with a map and everything so you can trace along with us on our path, but check that out here and in the description below. Alright, well, got back on ship, showered, relaxed for a little bit, woke up the girls, now we're heading to dinner. Tonight's dinner, we were peeking at the menu, looks delicious as always, so we're gonna go check that out, and I don't know what's on the agenda for tonight. Maybe a show, maybe some music, maybe some drinks, maybe just some chilling. We haven't really chilled, find a spot, cozy corner, somewhere in a lounge, listen to a pianist. I don't know. Who knows? We'll check it out. All right, so we're here in the main dining room. This is the Panorama Restaurant, but this is the kids menu. That is like the kids mascot, the MSC mascot.
And this has changed every day, so we're going through the seasons as the days progress.
Yeah, and so what's interesting is it's segregated. So this is 6 to 12 months. they'll puree things for babies. And then they say, okay, well, what about like plus 12 months? They'll cut it up and they'll make sure that it's appropriate, which I think is really, really cool. And then, of course, it's in, let's see.
Oh, goodness.
We have Italian, Dutch, Spanish, and maybe that's Portuguese. Yeah. So really, really neat that they kind of split these up for like little kids and then like older kids. So pretty neat. Pretty good options here, man. I don't know what people talk about. Everything's been super good, flavorful, rich, moist. I mean, just, I don't know. Really, really good.
But for those of you I have not met yet, I am Carrie. I'm your cruise director. I do come from Cincinnati, Ohio. Any Ohioans? All right, we got one. Very good. Well, welcome back. Tonight we have a show dedicated to the 60s and 70s.
Since I was a child, when I was young and wild, nobody could ever tell me there was nothing to overwhelm me. I thought I was cool when I left school. Took some time for me to realize I don't need this disguise. Baby, come, let's move on. 'Cause if I show my love, it dance through the night in the neon lights. Love everybody. My mind is set free and I'll be me. Then I met you. You took me by the hand and showed me the world. Everywhere I was hurled, like flowers we grew.
And that wraps up Ocean Key Day 2 and our third day aboard the MSC Meraviglia. Tomorrow, a sea day, and we'll see you there.